Okay, so welcome back to another class. Okay, another day, another class. Okay, so who wants to do the recitation today? Okay, let's give a chance to Talbiha. Talbiha, you haven't done the recitation yet. So today it's your chance. It's your day to do the recitation. I want all the girls to cover their head and I want all the boys to sit properly. Talbiya, wait for a second. Yes. I hope all the girls are wearing dupatta. Lishba, where is your dupatta? Maheen, where is your dupatta? Hiba, cover your head. Lishba, Maheen, open your camera and cover your head. Ayan Ashraf, open your camera.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah.
Jazakallah, Jazakallah, Talbiya. Okay, so can anyone tell me what did we learn in the yesterday's class? Raise the ones who will raise their hand through Zoom, I'll just unmute them. Okay, Zainab, unmute yourself and tell us what did you learn yesterday?
What problems?
Word problems. Okay, good. Yes, Hassan. Which topic? The word problems were related to which topic? Can you tell us?
Miss Picture Graph.
Excellent. Very good. Okay. So I hope everyone completed their homework. Did you all complete your homework? I haven't checked it yet. I will be checking it today. I just saw that some of you have completed, but I'll be checking it completely today. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start a new thing. I want all of you to keep your rough copy and your numeracy worksheet back with you. Run and bring it. Keep your numeracy worksheet back and your rough copy and your pencil box with you. Very good, Alicia. Ayan, Ahiba, Maheen, and Ayan Abbas. Open your camera. Okay, yes, Hassan, very good. Okay, Zainab, Amna, I can see the homework. Yes, Abraham, very good, excellent. Amna, I can see it better. I can see it. Okay, so today we will be doing a new worksheet. I am just showing it to you on the screen. Wait. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Here is the worksheet. Open this worksheet. Oops, my light has gone. Okay. Okay, so can you all see this worksheet? Can you all see the worksheet? Yes, open this worksheet. Write your name and date. I'll be coming back in a minute, okay? Just open this worksheet, come write the name and the date. Okay, give me a thumbs up through Zoom if you have opened this worksheet. Give me a thumbs up through Zoom if you have opened this worksheet. Okay, excellent. Okay, so what are they saying in this worksheet is, let's read it first. Class 2 went to a local park and recorded how many different colored flowers were in a flower bed. Okay, so look at the results and answer the questions below. What are they saying is कि क्लास 2 के स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं दे वेंट टू अ लोकल पार्क, वो एक ऐसे ही लोकल पार्क में गए, ऐसे ही जो बने हुए होते हैं आम से पार्क्स, उसमें गए और उन्होंने देखा कि वहाँ पे बहुत डिफरेंट कलर के फ्लावर्स हैं। तो उन्होंने वहाँ पे उनको रिकॉर्ड किया, उन्होंने देखा कि भाई उन्होंने कैलकुलेट किया व्हाट वी लर्न रिमेंबर येस्टरडे कि उन्होंने पूरा उसको उसका चार्ट बनाया, ग्राफ बनाया उसका. So now what they did is, okay, okay, so there are some colored flowers: blue, pink, yellow, white, red. Now there is one thing given in the box right on the right hand. It says one flower is equals to 5 flowers. एक flowers कितने flowers के बराबर है? 5 flowers. Okay, तो अब क्या नाम है, अब now you remember, right? Yesterday we learned the same thing कि हम ग्राफ इसी तरह बनाते हैं कि ऑब्वियसली अब वहाँ पे अगर बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स थे तो वो एक एक फ्लावर को लिखेंगे तो नहीं ऑब्वियसली, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, एक फ्लावर को 5 फ्लावर्स रिप्रेजेंट करते हुए एक ग्राफ बना लिया. ठीक है, now let's answer some questions, and you know what, just listen to the question carefully and then solve it. Okay, I'll be giving you a minute to solve the question. Okay, don't worry, don't panic. Okay, so here is question number 1. It says how many pink flowers were there. वो पूछ रहे हैं कितने pink flowers हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 4 flowers, right? अब एक flower जो है वो 5 flower के बराबर है, right? So what we will do is we will multiply 4 into 5 and we'll get to know the answer. I'm showing you my screen again and then you can see it. Okay. Just give me a second. Here is my screen. Okay, so it says there are 4 pink flowers, okay? And there are 4 pink flowers and it says कि एक flower जो है वो कितना okay, can you all see it? Who's going to answer the second question? 4 5s are 4 5s are. Yes, Hassan, answer the question. What is 4 5s are?
Miss 20.
20. So what is the answer of question number 1?
20.
So how many pink flowers are there? 20 pink flowers. Excellent, Hassan. Okay, Now in question number 2, they are saying how many more blue flowers were there than red flowers. वो आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि कितने ज्यादा ब्लू फ्लावर्स हैं रेड फ्लावर्स के मुकाबले में. अब रेड फ्लावर्स तो यहाँ पे क्या कितने हैं, मतलब 5 है. ठीक है, शो तो एक कर रहा है बट वो रिप्रेजेंट कितने कर रहा है, 5. यहाँ पे हमने पढ़ा कि एक फ्लावर जो है वो 5 फ्लावर्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, तो दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर 5 रेड फ्लावर्स हैं. इज इट क्लियर? अब हाउ मेनी ब्लू फ्लावर्स आर देयर इन टोटल? देयर आर 3 फ्लावर्स दिख रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो व्हाट वी विल डू इज, सॉरी, so what we will do is we will write 3 multiply by 5. What will be the answer? 3 5s are? Yes, yes, Alishba, 3 5s are? 15. Excellent. अब ब्लू फ्लावर्स कितने हो गए, 15 हो गए. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको 3 फ्लावर्स नजर आ रहे थे. ठीक है, और एक फ्लावर जो है वो 5 फ्लावर्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा था. ठीक है, अब हमारे पास हो गए 15 फ्लावर्स. सही है. अब नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू इज वी विल माइनस रेड फ्लावर्स. ठीक है, तो हम 15 में से कितने माइनस करेंगे, कितने फ्लावर्स माइनस करेंगे? अलीशा बताइए मुझे, 15 में से कितने फ्लावर्स को माइनस करेंगे तो हमारे पास आंसर आएगा? क्योंकि रेड फ्लावर्स कितने? एक्सीलेंट अलीशा, वेरी गुड. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर अलीशा?
10.
Excellent, very good. So the answer is 10. What is the answer of question number 2? The answer of question number 2 is 10. There are 10 more blue flowers than red flowers. Okay. Okay, so in C, they are asking how many more pink flowers were there than blue flowers. अब वो आपसे क्या पूछ रहे हैं, पहले उन्होंने पूछा कि ब्लू फ्लावर्स कितने थे रेड फ्लावर्स के मुकाबले में. अब वो आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि कितने पिंक फ्लावर्स हैं ब्लू फ्लावर्स के मुकाबले में. तो हमने कितने कैलकुलेट किए थे कि 15 कितने हैं, 15 ब्लू फ्लावर्स हैं. ठीक है, नाउ अब हम देखते हैं कि हाउ मेनी पिंक फ्लावर्स आर देयर. पिंक फ्लावर्स, दे आर शोइंग 4 पिंक फ्लावर्स. दैट मीन्स हाउ मेनी आर देयर? सो व्हाट वी विल डू इज वी विल, there are 4 pink flowers and okay wait, there are 4 pink flowers. We will multiply it by 5. Okay, so what will be the answer? 4 5s are? Okay, 4. Okay, wait. Give me a second. Okay, Amna Tabish, 4 multiply by 5. 4 5s are?
20.
20. Excellent. So there are 20 pink flowers. Okay, there are 20 pink flowers. Now what are they asking कि भाई हमें बताएं कि कितने ज्यादा जो है वो पिंक फ्लावर्स और उसके मुकाबले में. तो what how many blue flowers are there, Amna? 15, right? So what we will do is we will wait, we will minus 20 minus 15. Yes, who's going to give me the answer of this question? I will be giving a chance to all of you. Yes, Talbia, what is the answer of this? 20 minus 15. Talbia, unmute yourself. Unmute, G.
10. 5. 4 5 are 20. Miss 4 5 are 20.
बेटे, I asked you 20 minus 15.
5.
Excellent. Very good. So the answer is 5. Excellent, Talbiha. So how many more pink flowers are there? There are 5 more pink flowers. So the answer of question number 3 is 5. Write it down. I hope everyone is done. Give me the thumbs up. Show me the thumbs up through Zoom if you have written the answer of these 3 questions. Give me a thumbs up. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Shall we move forward? और आगे question solve करें? और आगे करें? Okay. So here is my screen. Okay. So in question number 4, they are saying how many white flowers were there? कितने white flowers हैं? So first we will count these flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So there are white flowers, but they say that one flower is representing 5 flowers. So what we will do? Okay. Oops. Okay, so they are saying there are 5 flowers. Now we'll multiply 5 into 5. Okay, so 5 fives are, who's going to answer this question? Yes, Zainab, 5 fives are
25.
25. Excellent, very good. So how many white flowers are there?
25.
There are 25 white flowers. Excellent. Write it down, write it down. Okay, so in the next question, they are asking, were there any orange flowers? Is there any orange flower? No. So you will write no. There were no orange flowers. There were no orange flowers. Okay, moving forward to the next question. They say, how many red and white flowers were there? वो आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कितने red और कितने white flowers हैं? So what we will do first, sorry, red and white. Okay. So first we will calculate all the flowers. Now, red flowers is having 1. That means it is representing 5. So how many total flowers are there? Red flowers. There are 5 red flowers. Okay. And now we have to calculate how many white flowers are there. So we calculated earlier 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 fives are 25 flowers, right? So what we will do is we will add 25 white flowers, 25 white flowers, and we'll add 5 red flowers, right? So how many total flowers are there? Who is going to give me the answer of this question? Yes, Maheen, answer this question. How
Teacher,
many?
30.
30. Excellent. Very good. So how many total red and white flowers are there? 30. 30 red and white flowers. Write the answers with me. मैं आपको बेटे आंसर्स बताती जा रही हूँ, आप लोग साथ साथ लिखते जाएं. Excellent. So the last question, say they say, how many flowers were the flower bed? Flowers were there in the flower bed. ये total flowers कितने हैं in the flower bed? Now what we will do is, हम करेंगे क्या? Let me remove all these things. I hope you all understood it. ओके अब हम करेंगे क्या, हम बनाते हैं, मैं आपको सिर्फ समझाने के लिए एक छोटा सा चार्ट बना रही हूँ, ठीक है? जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड देन आई विल बी शोइंग इट टू यू, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड. ओके, ब्लू, पिंक, येलो. Okay, so, oops. Can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen? Show me a, give me a thumbs up through Zoom. Okay, so now what we will do is, we will calculate, ठीक है? So what we did is, we did 1 2 3, 3 multiply by 5, 3 5s are, 3 5s are, raise your hand through Zoom. Yes, Maheen.
Teacher, 3 5s are 15.
Excellent. So how many blue flowers are there? There are 15 blue flowers. Okay, now coming to the pink ones. And how many pink flowers are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 multiplied by 5. 4 multiplied by 5. 4 5s are? Yes, Hassan. 4 5s are?
20.
Excellent. 20 pink flowers. 20 pink flowers. Yellow. Let's come to yellow. 1 2. Yes, Hiba. 2 multiplied by 5. How many yellow flowers? 2 5s are?
10.
2 5s are 10. Excellent. So how many yellow flowers? 10 yellow flowers. Coming to the white ones. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. So coming to the white ones. And wait. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are? 5 5s are. Yes, Alicia. Alicia. Ehsan. Okay, Ehsan. Ehsan, give me the answer. 5 5s are? Ehsan, 5 5s are?
5 5s are.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Miss, 5, 10, 15, 20.
5
25.
5s, 25. Excellent. Okay, coming to the red ones. And red is only 1. So 1 5s are? Obviously 5. Okay, now what we will do is, we will calculate all these flowers. Okay, so I want all of you to write it down like this, the way I am writing it. 15, 20. Hurry up, hurry up. The one who will solve it on the rough copy, show it to me and raise the hand. I will be unmuting and allowing, I'll be giving a chance to that child. So I want all of you to do it on the rough copy and calculate how many total flowers are there. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Yes. Show it to me. Show it to me. Show your screen. Show it to me. Show it to me. Okay, excellent, Zainab. Okay, very good. Zainab, unmute yourself. Zainab, give me the answer of this question.
The answer is 75.
Excellent, very good. What we did is 5, 5, 5, 15. We wrote 5 here and we carried 1. Then we start adding it from the carried number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it came 775. Excellent, Zainab. Very good. All of you, I hope all of you have completed this worksheet with me today. How many total flowers are there in the flower bed? 75 flowers. I hope all of you have completed the worksheet that we did today. Give me a thumbs up through Zoom. Give me a thumbs up through Zoom. Yes, Zainab, unmute yourself.
I have a confusion.
Ji bete.
One ice cream represents 2 ice cream. Last one.
Okay, so the one which I gave you, yeah, homework.
Yes.
Acha, let me open the screen, then you can tell me. This bete, you are talking about this worksheet, right?
Yes.
बेटे वन आइसक्रीम जो पूरी आइसक्रीम है ना वो 2 आइसक्रीम को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है, ठीक है। और अगर हाफ आइसक्रीम है तो वो एक आइसक्रीम को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है। अगर आइसक्रीम पूरी है तो वो 2 को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है और अगर आइसक्रीम हाफ है तो वो 1 को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है। इज इट क्लियर?
Okay.
ठीक है। इज योर कंफ्यूजन क्लियर?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this is it for today and I'm about to end your class. Okay, I hope you all had a good day today. And who has written the name Sidra Haris? Who has joined the class with this name? Acha, okay, Miss Sidra is here maybe, I think. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, so I hope you all have a good day and I am making the host to Miss Sidra. She will be continuing the class. Okay, Miss Sidra, you can unmute yourself. I have made you the
You can end
host.
the class. I will start my own.
I have made you the host. The class is about to end in 9 minutes, na? So you can start a new one. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz, everyone.
Allah Hafiz, Miss Fiza.
Allah
You guys
Hafiz.
have to join us again, okay? So I'm starting my class.